Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for today's last air fryer series, I am making some delicious barbecue cauliflower bites. They're gonna be nice and crispy, everything that you love about air fryers. So if you guys love air fryer recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing I'm doing off to the side here is preheating my air fryer to 400 degrees. That's the buzzing that you'll hear. And then what I'm doing here too is I'm gonna warm this up. It's barbecue sauce and a little bit of butter. And the barbecue sauce I'm using is one that is off of Queer Eye, if you guys ever watched that show, but it's the one that they featured in one of their episodes. You can use whatever type of barbecue sauce that you want, but this is just the one I'm gonna use. So I'll have that heating in the back and then I'll walk you through the rest of the ingredients. All right, so very few ingredients left. The main one being cauliflower. I bought cauliflower florets and just made sure they're not too big of pieces. Over here, I've got almond flour. You can use any type of flour that you want, but if you are keto friendly, this is great for you. And then over here is 6 eggs that I've already whisked up. All right, and you're just gonna create a dredging station. So first thing goes in the eggs, goes in the flour, and then I'm gonna put it in a tray. So first one, just dip it into your egg. Try to get off the excess egg as much as possible, and then put it in the flour. And actually, I wanted to use this. There you go. Try to cover it as much as you can and then shake it off. Oops. Perfect. And then I'm just gonna place it on the tray here. All right, and then you just keep doing the same thing. So I have my first batch here done. You are gonna have to do about 3 to 4 batches. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the top of it and then open up my air fryer. That's already preheated. Spray the bottom as well. And then when you place them on the side that you didn't spray already so that you can spray the top as well. So all sides are sprayed. All right, so I have it all in there. Spray the top, and that is it. This is gonna cook on the 400 degree setting for about 8 to 9 minutes. And give it a good shake in about halfway through. All right, so my air fryer just beeped. It's cooling down right now, but we can go ahead and open the drawer. Ooh, perfect. So that is what I'm looking for. I'm just gonna take like a couple just to show what I'm gonna do with them, but just like 3. And then over here is the sauce that I made, the butter and the barbecue sauce. And I'm just gonna add just a little bit. You would ideally do the entire batch and then take the sauce and mix the entire batch with the sauce. But just to show you kind of an example, this is what it would look like. Add a tiny bit more. That looks delicious. Mix it all up. It's very hot, so I'm gonna let it cool before I take a taste test. All right, so I cut one in half. It's perfectly cooked through. Still has a bit of a crunch to it, which is perfect. So let's go ahead and taste test. That is delicious. It's got that coating of the egg and the almond flour, so it gives it a little bit of crispiness, extra crispiness. And then that barbecue sauce is delicious. I'll put a link of it below in my description box because if you are a fan of Queer Eye or a fan of the show, you'll want to try this barbecue sauce. So this is delicious. It's a perfect game day recipe as well, and it takes no time to cook. So if you guys love air fryer recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life. Big bite, tastefully balanced. To another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today's that's the buzzing that you'll hear on the